Hi, I'm Chirag Jain. I'm co-founder and CTO of EndureAir Systems. EndureAir is a drone development and manufacturing company. We are focused on delivering critical solutions to various defense forces across the country and also globally. We have been established from 2018. The journey started with me, Abhishek sir and Rama coming together in 2018 and thinking about means to deploy these solutions, technological solutions which we have developed over the years at IIT Kanpur, and transforming them into life-changing critical products to solve the various needs of the country at large. And from there, from a 3-member team to now 120 plus. So our journey for product development started from Vibram G. That was the first product which we actually developed. And this had been developed in IIT Kanpur over the years as a NAP project. This was a very unique project which we had undertaken where we tried to add IC engine to the existing drones to increase the endurance beyond what is capable through current battery technology. So that was the first product which we came up with, and we used that product and built a swarm solution. And from there, we participated in a competition, an Indian Air Force competition for Minar Baba. After that, we did a very interesting project for delivery. That was our first proper project as a company which we had undertaken, where we developed a octa-rotor biplane tail setter concept, which is orbit for short. So from there, we moved on to a system called Mira, which was a national extension for the orbit drone, which was primarily geared for surveillance operations. It was a backpackable system having high speeds and an endurance of about 1.5 hours. So basically, the capability of orbit was that it was a high-speed drone capable of 120 kilometers per hour of speeds, the ability to deliver 5 kg of payloads up till 40 kilometers. So after that, we moved on to solving the logistics challenges. Right now, the logistics market, especially the defense customers, they have a very critical need of delivering goods in the treacherous mountainous conditions where our Jawans are currently posted. So we thought about developing a solution for them. That is where we came up with a product known as Sabari. It has the capability of lifting 20 kgs of payload at an altitude of about 5,000 meters. In treacherous wind conditions, deliver that to a distance of about 10 kilometers. Well, this is a very significant capability which did not exist in the country. Now, beyond the Sabal series, we are currently developing Sabal 40, which has the capability of lifting 40 kgs of payload at same altitudes and delivering up to a distance of about 10 kilometers. There are other smaller projects which we have been doing over the years as well, which included a nano drone called Anak for primarily CICP operations. There are different variations of products like Vibram G. Vibram G also has an electric version for high altitude surveillance operations. So as you can see that we have been growing in terms of both scale and capabilities. From the smaller drones which we were developing earlier to bigger, larger drones which we are now developing and which we are going to develop in the future as well. So from Sabal 40, we intend to go towards Sabal 50 and Sabal 100 in the coming months, which will increase our capability beyond 100 kgs. These multi-rotors only tend to rely on just RPM control solutions, which are inherently slower compared to the pitch control systems which we have deployed in all our products. These pitch controlled systems give us the edge in terms of faster response rates, better capability, better endurance, and better speeds. So this is a very critical feature which gives us a huge boost. It adds a lot of value to the clients and especially the defense forces as well who are operating in these treacherous conditions. We are very sure that these products are going to shine over there because they are actually capable and getting used in the Indian terrain, which is one of the most challenging across the entire globe. And we are fairly confident of these systems' usability and versatility in the global scenario as well. And right now we believe that our team has the expertise to deliver these complex systems and also deliver them at a speed which is unprecedented and not seen in the industry. So with that, we are very hopeful for the future and together let's fly with purpose. Thank you.